Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Òrìṣàs, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. Iku and the Empty House. Story. There was a person who had several array enemies. These enemies gathered and conspired with Iku, Death, to kill him. They placed Iku inside an empty house and told the Okuni, Man, that if he was truly brave, he should enter. Since this Okuni had knowledge of the Òrìṣà, he went to consult Òrúnmìlà, who performed a divination for him. Òrúnmìlà told him, There is a trap because they want to kill you. If you have to enter an empty house and hear any noise, do not go in. Also, the door will be open, but when you arrive, knock on the postigo, side door, or shutter. When the man arrived at the house, he found the door open. He knocked on the postigo and heard Iku shout from within. Shocked, the Okuni ran away, crying out that he was carrying a bordun, spiritual staff. Iku chased after the man, but when Òrúnmìlà arrived, he gave Iku what needed to be offered, and thus saved the man's life. Note: one must wear the ide, spiritual bracelet, after receiving Òrúnmìlà,